I'm Chris Turner, the director of Baz Vegas, and today we're at Big Noise Studios because we're doing arrangements with string quartet on two of the songs that are going to be used in Baz Vegas. Lucy's song and a song for Francis. On my right we have Simon Davis, my musical director and arranger and compositor and brilliant genius piano player and computer programmer. And on my left we have Kirk Duncan, who has actually arranged the quartet parts. And Kirk's musical history involved people like Elton John and Graham Nash from Crosby, Stills, Nash & Young and the Moody Blues. So it's been fantastic. It's gone really well today. The players have all set up and they're ready to go, and we'll come back and see how it works out.
Yeah. All right. It's got the movement. The first violin and second violin.